What question does self-care really answer? So on one side we have the environment, on the other side we have the body. Over years, generations, even ages, our bodies have been adapting to our environment. So we get adaptation, whether for good or whether for bad. Self-care searches both sides of this equation to find out where a healthy life balance is, and in that way, restoring health. My name is Noel Miller, owner of Design Fitness, expert in self-care, and specialist in exercise prescription. And I want us to explore the world of self-care together. What factor acts on the body to negate health regardless of age, income, and athletic ability? This is stress. Let's do a quick definition of stress. Stress is anything or any factor that pushes the body past the point where it can maintain a healthy balance. Unless health is a priority in all your decisions, you won't be able to maintain it. The 3 points of stress in lifestyle that I've selected are some of the main and most prominent ones. Age, income, and activity levels. When we take age and we input it into lifestyle, we get the accumulation of stress on the body. The lack of stretching over time increases tight muscles. The lack of speaking about your emotions, how you feel about a situation, and repressing them also has an effect. And the lack of resistance to learning the lessons that life is trying to teach you by persisting against the body's will also have a big impact in this area. Income, when translated into lifestyle, is the increase of mental pressure. Income is symbolic of gaining something we feel we don't have. Once we've obtained it, there's a certain amount of pressure or responsibility placed on us. And to be able to maintain this responsibility, we have to be able to find a healthy balance. Activity level, when translated into lifestyle, is a level of disconnection from our body. Our bodies are extremely good at adapting to their environment. So when we stop moving, our bodies stop remembering how to move, and even worse, we can become afraid of movement. And when this happens, we're in an uphill battle of trying to restore our health. This becomes very dangerous in our later years of life. Although I have separated them into 3 different groups, physical, mental, and emotional, any one can always affect the other 2. And it is the job of self-care to figure out which one is mainly being affected and to balance out the other 2 and restore the main one.